How to get verified on TikTok fast. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to get verified on TikTok fast. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your TikTok application and this is where you will get. Now, what you have to do is a lot of people actually think that getting verified on TikTok is really difficult and it's only possible for celebrities or famous TikTokers. Well, that's not true. We can get famous. All you need to do is you need to have a business account. So you can just go to your profile right here on TikTok and then you're going to click on these three lines at the right top corner. And then we have settings and privacy. So if you want to get verified, the first thing you require is a business account, is an account which is public. So if you have a private account, then make sure to simply go to manage account and making your account business or making it public. Once you have an account, then it depends on your luck. You can just simply go ahead and post different videos. If you get famous, TikTok will actually verify you. How to actually apply for getting verified? Well, once you have a business account right here on TikTok, you will get the verify option and you can just apply for the verification to TikTok and you will get verified. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.